Hi guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos and leaving me comments. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me, and also you would be updated whenever I post a new video. Today's video is gonna be a lip swatches and review sort of a video, and it's gonna be for these lipsticks from Rimmel. These are the Lasting Finish by Kate lipsticks from Rimmel, and all the links will be in the description box as to where to purchase them. These are priced at Rs 275 per piece, and I've purchased some of them online from Nykaa.com, some of them from Coops, and some of them I've picked up from the local Paco store in Hyderabad. So I will leave links to where I've purchased them, and all the shades will also be mentioned in the description box. And first I'll start off with the swatches and then we'll move on to the review. I hope you like this video, and please do give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And now let's move on to the swatches. This is the number 28, and it is a very subtle light pink shade, and this gives a very sheer coverage, as you can see, and this is a little shiny also compared to all the other lipsticks. So with one swipe, I think the coverage is quite sheer. So I'm not very fond of this shade, but however, I love all the other shades. And if you're somebody who has pigmented lips, then this might not be the right option. I think the darker shades are quite good though, and even for me, for the lower lip it does look fine, but my upper lip is quite pigmented. It doesn't look that great, but I think shade does go quite well with my eyeshadow. I have Maybelline blushed eyeshadow in a very light pink, and I think this goes quite well with it. So the next shade is this brownish shade, and it's in the shade 105, and I ordered this from Coops.com, and it came this way, and I sent it back, and then I saw that the listing was again updated, so I thought it's a new lipstick and I ordered it again, and it still came back this way. So I wrote to them, and anyhow they refunded the money, but they never took back the lipstick, and I really liked the color. So I'm gonna try and apply. So this is the shade, guys, and it looks very pretty. I really like the nudie brown look. For somebody with a whitish complexion, this will probably make a really nice nude. It does look a little brown on me, but however, I think the shade is gorgeous. And moving on to a darker shade, this is in the shade 106, and it looks very beautiful. It's a maroonish red. I think it looks slightly different in the camera, but I will try to actually put some picture here which would actually give you an idea of the actual color. I'm going to show you a lip swatch now. Unlike the lighter pink shade, this doesn't have any sort of glitter or shine in it, and it is quite matte, and the shade is beautiful. You can wear it on a night out or even you're in your outfits, and since it's so pigmented, I would say we should apply it with a lip liner, because you can see that I have come out of my lip area and drew it a little on my chin. So anyway, so this was the shade 106, and it looks gorgeous. And this is in the shade 109. It's a very nice peach shade, and I'm going to show you the swatch now. This is a very nice orangey shade, and this also again would look really beautiful on somebody with a whitish complexion. I think it would make a perfect corally, peachy orange sort of shade. I think it looks quite nice on me too. and this shade is also quite matte, and this is in the shade 109. This is one of my favorite shades from this collection, and it's a very nice beautiful red. It's a perfect red. It's not a maroonish red or not the orange toned red or the maroon red. It does have a slight hint of pink, but it is mostly just red. It's the red. Do you see the beautiful shade? So this is the beautiful shade. I love this shade so much, and I think in this whole collection this is one of my favorite shades. I'll show you the other one next. So this is such a beautiful red. It's so pretty, and I think this one is also best. Turns out best when applied using a lip liner. I think it would need a lip liner because it's a very dark shade and it's a little easy to like just get tacky. Here comes the last shade that I have, and one of my other favorites which I was talking about, and this is the shade I think 20. This thing got torn off, but I'll try to put the actual number. And this is the beautiful fuchsia shade that I was talking about. This is my second favorite. So this is the shade, guys. It looks so beautiful. I really like this shade and the red one. These two are my favorites. I think this looks very beautiful. So these are all the shades that I have. Coming to the review, let's start with talking about the packaging. And I obviously, as you can see, the packaging is really beautiful. It comes in black and red ones. So I really like the packaging. Coming to the product, it does glide on very smoothly, and the colors, the brighter shades are very pigmented. Even the peach one is quite pigmented. Only the pink one I felt that it's a little sure, but I think it glides on very smoothly and gives you a very nice look. And they do not flake or they do not create those crease lines, and they're not drying, they're quite moisturized. The only problem I have with them is that they are called Lasting Finish by Kate Moss, and yes, the finish is really stay like this for quite long until you eat something. So once you start eating something is when you see that the color actually starts fading off from the center of your lips, which is a very big problem. So that is something I do not like about this at all. And there was one time when I think I just had a sandwich and slowly it started moving away from the middle of center of my lips, and then slowly the lipstick was actually gone. It had just and this was the red lipstick, the one which was very pigmented, and then slowly it just had a little bit of tint on my lips. Apart from that, yes, I love the shade of collection, and it's just ₹275 per piece, and it's sort of a drugstore product in the US, but I think Rimmel has great products. So that's about the review. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave my social media handles in the description box. Please do find me there, because I keep posting a lot about what I've shopped or about my outfit posts and various other updates, so please do follow me there as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.